We have Chavi Dawar and Archit Dawar with us, owners of House of Nutmeg, who have brought in a great concept and a great idea of bringing in a vegan and a vegetarian restaurant in this town. So, Archit, let's know about you. Who are you behind the scenes and talk about the journey that you've taken on?
Journey, if we take this journey, so if we go back 5, 6 years back when COVID happened, so we used to cook food at home. Chavi cooked food for us, my father cooked food for us. We used to enjoy the food cooking at home.
Okay.
Then we thought, let's plan something. So sometime COVID over, we were busy in work back, sitting, and one day we all family went for dinner. And we went to a very nice, one of the very known restaurant in Dehradun, and we ordered vegetarian food as we are vegetarians. And there was smell of non-veg in that food, which we not liked it. So we came back, and I was sitting with my dad, and so we all were sitting at a table, and that day we planned, let's do it. And that was a moment which comes in your life once. Let's do it. That let's do it was that day, and we planned this restaurant.
And who was the first one to initiate that?
I think Chavi and my dad was first. Then I took the
Behind
behind. The thought was my dad. I think, and Chavi was the pillar who started this thing
Okay.
with my dad, and then I took and we started it together.
So yeah, I think it's going to be more interesting to know about Chavi. What is your journey like?
Basically, I'm from Jaipur.
Okay.
And when I come to Dehradun is a very small town as compared to Jaipur. So whenever we used to go out, Rajpur Road was the only road where we used to go for a drive. But there were very limited cafes and eating joints at that time when I'm talking 10 years down the lane. So I thought Dehradun has a scope of good cafe which can, cater to families, friends and youth. Where there is where you can sit calmly, you can do your discussions, meeting, and you're comfortable with your kids. And you don't want to expose them to the environment which is not required for a particular age. So the reason behind opening this is to serve people a good food with good environment, and especially a family environment where you can sit and celebrate each and every moment.
Great. And how was your childhood? If I go back, how was your relation with food when you were younger?
So I always had a inclination towards cooking, experimenting. When I was in class, I think 10th, my boards got over. My mother told me to join a cooking class. So it was very awkward. I was a kid. How do I go for a cooking class? So my mother explained it is very necessary for a woman to cook food for herself, for the survival of the family and for herself. So that was a kick that my mother gave me, that without food you can't live. So if you're eating healthy food, good food, you should have the skills to do that. So that's how, and my entire family was very fond of eating food, experimenting. And whenever I used to go and come back, learn something new, my grandfather always used to wait and ask, "Aaj ki sikhya tu? Aaj ki khwane menu tu?" So that is the reason, I got motivated to learn more. Then, then things happened and I passed my school. Then went for graduation. I always had a creative bent. So I had a mind that I wanted to do jewelry design. So with jewelry designing, I did my graduation as well from Jaipur. I did it from Indian Institute of Gems and Jewelry, and I was a gold medalist there.
Okay.
So then post graduation, I went for MBA in Hyderabad, IBS Hyderabad. So I did marketing. I did finance and banking in MBA. But the moment I entered the college and saw the placement burden on my seniors, that was my very, first thought that I have to do something of my own and give employment to people, not to work under somebody. So then after coming back, I joined my jewelry factory, took care of it for 2 years, and then got married and came back to Dehradun.
So when you thought of restaurant, didn't you think that she should have her own jewelry store because she's so passionate about jewelry?
See, I asked her, we had a sitting, but I think she loved more food than the passion. And love is more important than passion, what we have.
Survival is, I think, more important than being a...
Yes.
The
Right.
food is love for her. I see smile when she cooks.
Okay.
She's happy when she's cooking. She's happy when she's in kitchen. When we enter restaurant also, I feel she's more happy sitting in the kitchen. I am happy sitting there having my coffee, but she's happy just sitting in kitchen. All the food is preparation, all the food is going.
Okay.
Is the more she feel more happy in that. That's the reason I think I have took a nice choice and good choice to make a restaurant for her.
Great.
We are working together and hopeful we are serving good for people and people loving the food.
Absolutely, they are, and I've been around the town, so I genuinely know how much people are loving it. But House of Nutmeg, what's the story behind choosing this name? There must be something. Why Nutmeg particularly?
So when we were sitting on a dinner table, so we had thought of opening a restaurant. So we always wanted a catchy name, which should get instilled in our mind. You should listen to a name and it should get imprinted in your mind. So we were, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, Archit, my sister-in-law, everybody was sitting. Everybody was pouring in
This is
the...
a family tradition. Whenever we want to take a decision,
Yes.
we all families sit together
Okay.
and we.
So all the members have to be there.
Yes.
All the members.
Okay.
So everybody was, giving their options, their opinions. Everybody was pouring in their ideas. So my mother-in-law came up with an idea. Why don't you keep a name on a spice? So our, everything went behind the name of a spice. So suddenly she said nutmeg. So nutmeg is a holy spice which is used in puja. Okay, and we are, since a vegetarian restaurant, so vegetarian, that to puja, so it got connected.
Yes.
So nutmeg was a small name. To elaborate it, we named it House of Nutmeg.
Okay, you're a mother. You have a passion for jewelry. You have a restaurant. How are you juggling with all the roles?
See, motherhood is one part of life, and I think that is the priority I keep in my life. For me, my daughter Anna is the most important thing that has happened to me. And when she was born, things were very different. I started a home bakery when she was very small. Cooking has always been my passion and love for it. So for a good 1.5 years, I was doing home baking, serving people with good cookies, homemade cakes, celebratory cakes.
This was back in?
This was back in 2019.
Okay, that's before COVID.
Yeah.
Pre-COVID.
Yeah,
Okay.
pre-COVID, I started. But the entire COVID, people used to order me on phone कि छवि आज मेरे को न्यूटेला फिल्ड chocolate chip cookie खानी है, आज मुझे tres leches खाना है. I made certain things which were usually not available on regular bakeries, all good bakery shops. They were only made to order, and I was doing only made to order at home. So I could see that when Anna was small, she used to come in the kitchen and hold the whisk, and tried ki mama, I will also do. So I even felt happier that she's also willing to do, and she wants to learn. She's also being following my footsteps.
Yes.
But then as time passed, she went to school and she needed me more. So I stopped my home baking and I devoted a good 5 years of my life to her, to nurture her, to give her good upbringing, to teach her basic etiquettes, social presence, how to behave socially.
Yes.
So then when she grew, then I thought that I can resume my work and go back to my passion for food. Then it came, we should open a place where we can sit with our family, children, friends, and in a very cozy environment. So that's how.
And like always, you wanted to employ people. You wanted to give employment
Yes.
and not to be.
So,
underserved.
for me,
Just work in your field.
like people usually treat their employees as servants, but for me, there is a family.
Great.
They are dependent on us, and without them, we also can't work.
Absolutely.
So you need to have a good coordination and correlation with them.
Absolutely.
Without this teamwork, nobody can work ahead in life.
Great. But how do you manage? Like, do you get your daughter here? Do you involve her? Given hours, as in morning here and.
But my first priority is, I always said, it's her.
Yes.
She goes to school, I finish up my household chores, and then I come here. Whenever I'm here, I'm giving my 100% time here. I know that I'm here for good 1 hour or 2 hours. I have to finish my task before she reaches home. So that's how, I divide my time according to her routine
And her convenience.
and her convenience. I can't neglect her and just be on work all the time.
Of course. And when we talk about House of Nutmeg, how have you distributed your responsibility?
So when we started to not to have conflicts, to avoid that, we distributed our days and we distributed our work from the very first day of the beginning of this project.
Good idea.
Yeah. So he was looking after the execution. We both had designs. We both had concepts in our mind. I used to find the designs, and he made sure that these designs are being executed the way we have planned. So all the administration.
The things, there's small things. So any work you have to do, it has to be a teamwork.
Absolutely.
Without teamwork, it cannot be done. So once we planned for Nutmeg, so we decided that we have to work like a team, not a husband-wife. First thing that, see,
Partners.
we have to work like a partner. We have to think like a partner. We have to work on the cost. We have to work on the designs. We have to work on aesthetics, how it will look, how will people feel, how will they like. A lot of things we had. She wants some colors, I didn't want that.
You and I.
She wants something, I will know it cannot be. It can be done like this, which is okay with you. Then she wants something, I will know that will cost me very high. I can't pay so much. A lot of things we sit with the architect, we designed. A lot of things we changed while it was constructing. We have changed the design, we have changed the things regarding the cost.
Okay.
And
But
a lot of things which we changed while we are developing and we are making this Nutmeg. But what I feel, I tried my best. The things she want, and we traveled
It's
so
also a
much.
dream.
I still remember honeymoon. So we went first. We were in Australia, and it was third day. We were walking on the street of Gold Coast. She saw a cafe, and somehow she said, "यार कभी हम cafe बनाएंगे ऐसा होना चाहिए." So I smiled, like, cafe, on restaurant, on I'm industrialist, I run factories. Wow. We never thought we coming in this field. तो नहीं यार कभी ऐसा बनाएंगे यार. मैंने कहा ठीक है शादी नहीं शादी होती है ठीक है चलो कोशिश करें बंदा जो मर्जी मतलब people say whatever okay we will do it. He said that and we walked it.
Lesson, people. Learn it.
So 10 years back she speak while we are walking on the street in Gold Coast.
manifested,
I think
probably in
it
her
was
own way.
it was Gold Coast. It was
Yes.
Gold Coast. Yeah, we were walking in a Gold Coast, third day of our honeymoon, and she saw a cafe that यार अच्छी भी ऐसे अपना cafe बनाएंगे तो see and things become true after 5 years.
Yes, exactly. So that's what I was saying. She manifested it in her own way,
Yes.
and probably God was kind enough to grant everything possible. So now people have this notion, that a restaurant, खुलेगा तो अब non-veg होना चाहिए, alcohol नहीं है. How do you cater that category of people who basically have this thought कि अरे नहीं वहाँ drink नहीं है, non-veg नहीं है, या restaurant खोलना है तो thought होता है कि
We had visited many restaurants which were vegetarian.
You're talking about this town or
No, not
about
this town.
this country?
About this country.
Also, I think what we have here on the veg platter, I think no one has
Absolutely.
till now has given that thing.
Dehradun
We have
had
changed the thought of the people regarding the vegetarian restaurant. What I personally feel, a veg restaurant and cafe can.
Oh yeah, a premium menu and we all know about it. Yeah.
So, Dehradun always had this scope of a good vegetarian restaurant. They had their minds only limited to vegetarian restaurant में क्या होगा दाल मखनी, पनीर टिक्का, पनीर बटर मसाला or a few vegetables. They never thought that vegetarian restaurant can have a multi-cuisine vegetarian restaurant where a child from 4 years, 3 years to an elderly can be served on one table of their own choice. So that was the idea, like when we were planning, when we were designing the menu, we thought कि जो भी आ रहा है वो अपनी पसंद का खाना चाहिए ना जब वो बाहर आएगा.
Yes.
बच्चे को पास्ता पसंद है, बड़े को रोटी सब्जी पसंद है, हम लोग के जैसे लोग कुछ कॉन्टिनेंटल कुछ चाइनीज ट्राई करना चाहते हैं. देन हाउ डू यू केटर एट वन प्लेस?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे एक चीज और भी लगती है. आई थिंक व्हाट आई फील कि लोगों को गट्स मिलती है. आई कैन वेरी ब्लंट बट दिस इज अ फैक्ट. व्हाट आई वांट टू से, लोगों में गट्स नहीं थी.
That's how we've created a revolution.
Yeah,
लोगों ने कभी रेस्टोरेंट सोचा तो उन्होंने सोचा कि नहीं यार चलो यार एंड में बिजनेस करना है, नोट कमाने हैं, पैसे कमाने. ठीक है, सबका थॉट होता है. मैं बोलूं मेरा भी थॉट है. आई हैव टू अर्न money. That only I can run this restaurant for whole of my life. If I don't earn, how can I give every time from my pocket? So that and सबका पॉइंट वही होता है, ठीक है ना. बट एक हिम्मत शायद हमारे पास थी, हमने खोला और हमने कर दिया, मुझे लगता है.
What's your vision? When we talk about your vision, long way.
Vision, I think Nutmeg will be one day it will be an international brand.
That's
And I make sure that
present form.
Shavi will be an international, make this brand as an international brand.
So you know, vision when firstly R was कि खोलना है कुछ दमदार खोलना है जो शहर में धमाका कर दे,
Yeah.
है ना.
Okay.
जब हमने खोला so people never thought कि how mocktails can create a difference when you're sitting in a place. They are presented so nicely.
Yes.
How a vegetarian food can be presented so nicely on a platter, and that too the if I talk about our aloo tikki chaat, so it is presented in a platter in such a way that nobody can ever think कि ये आलू टिक्की चाट भी हो सकती है ऐसी presentation में.
I think one of the meeting RJ covered that thing in his
Yeah,
own
yeah.
blog.
Okay.
That
He-
thing. I have.
Of Dehradun? Or
Yes.
He's from Delhi. He came to Dehradun. He's from Delhi.
Rafati Nitin from Red FM.
Okay.
So he came for a evening. I think around 7:30 before.
And like early
dinner
times.
time.
Yeah.
So we were knowing that he sat outside. We were not here. Next 2 days, after 2 days, my sister called me. Congratulations. मैंने कहा for what? And no, मुझे नहीं. Then he covered your restaurant. And he was amazed. कहता I have been traveled so many ways where in India. I have traveled a lot because he's RJ. So I never ever had a tikki like this in my life. The way they were served the tikki.
Okay.
He was amazed to seeing tikki like that.
Wow. That's really good.
So that was a very happy moment for us, what I feel, when we had a nice comment come from someone who
Yeah.
travels so much. And he's RJ, so he must be traveling so
So
much.
you know, while we were making the menu, we had finalized certain dishes and went to Delhi for crockery shopping, cutlery shopping.
Whose choice was it?
So it was a team effort. as
Okay.
well.
Always, I tell you, team
Okay.
works.
All right, we both of you came
Yes.
to
Yeah.
make
So
your
we went. I had a paper with me. We had dishes name on it.
Okay.
So according to each dish, a platter was selected. That on which platter, which dish can be served, and it should come out the way it
And
should.
color also was better.
Was
Because
it
the color.
coordinated with the walls, your crockery?
Yes, everything.
Everything
Or
was
your-
coordinated.
Okay.
So if
Everything.
platter is white in color, the dish has to be very colorful to make that white platter look even more colorful. So जब आप खाना खाते हो, आप देख के पहले उसको इतना जज करते हो, अगर दिखने में सुंदर नहीं होगा तो आपका खाने का भी मन नहीं करेगा. आपका आधा खाना तभी पास होता है जब आपको दिखने में कुछ अच्छा होगा. Then you feel like eating.
Yeah, true.
So
You eat with your eyes first, as
Yes.
they say.
And the cutlery, I was very particular. I was, आप कई रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ ना, वो चम्मच या वो all that thing was too light.
And you
यार,
know,
वो
this
पूरा-
cutlery also has a story behind. One of Archit's very good friend, he owns a cutlery store in Delhi.
Okay.
Own this factory, these are the factory.
He has factories in fact. So he invited us कि एक बार आके तुम देखो कि मैं क्या बनाता हूँ. So we went there. We were amazed to see the variety, the styling of cutlery, which he used to only cater to all 5 stars of all, Bangalore, Delhi, Bombay. He used
Metro
to,
cities.
metro cities. He used to supply to them. So he said, when you take this to Dehradun, people will have a different experience.
Was it during your planning phase? Like, are you talking about the planning phase or pre?
No, planning.
It was during
Planning phase.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's during the planning phase. We went there, we came back home, and after then we were actually discussing कि यार इतनी सुंदर जो चीज हम
Yeah.
देख कर आए हैं, क्या हम उसको देहरादून के लोग एक्सेप्ट कर पाएंगे? तो he himself said कि if you have to do something different, give something different.
To hit it hard.
Yes,
Yeah.
to hit it hard, and you know it has to be a bomb that you're
Exactly.
giving to Dehradun.
Yeah.
So, but it was very unfortunate that
We were going for ordering.
we were going to order the cutlery, and on the way we got to know that he passed away.
Oh, that's so sad.
That was a very, you know, hitting moment for us, that such a young guy and passed away in few seconds. So this cutlery is a tribute to him.
Any dish apart from aloo tikki chaat that you mentioned that
Yeah.
has surprised people here?
Yeah, of
who
course,
visit?
many. That is endless, but
Yeah.
I'll explain few of them. Like spinachy cigar roll.
Okay.
ठीक है, सो यूजली आप जब भी कोई कैफे या कोई रेस्टोरेंट में आते हैं, आप या तो स्प्रिंग रोल खाएंगे जिसमें नूडल्स होगी, वेजेस होगी, बट दैट सिगार रोल इज a form of a spring roll, but the filling is all Chinese or all Conti.
Oriental
Like it is filled with spinach, it is filled with cheese. So even an elderly or a kid, they love it. The fusion of this is being loved by our clients.
Okay.
Then
By our customers.
Especially, I think special. We were made for all age. The young people also love that. Young students also
Old
loving that.
generation.
The old generation loving that.
They're also doing it.
Yeah.
So this is the new fusion again. And then we have, platters. One, it is named by Fusion Feast, and one is Indulgence Medley platter.
Okay.
So when you talk about Indulgence Medley, it is a combination of all continental dishes. Like we have momos, we have bruschetta, we have falafel in that, we have avocado toast with that, and a few 4-5 nice dips with it, like mashed potato. We serve it with a nice salad, Thai sweet chili sauce. So a combination which is served on a platter is not being served here in Dehradun. So how to create a difference in vegetarian cuisine, as I said, that it has to be something different on a plate which nobody has ever imagined here.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है you tried making something but वो बन कुछ और गया and everybody just fell in
Yes.
love.
Yes.
अभी इसी बार
During-
मैं क्या होता था रात आते हैं ना आई एम स्वीट टूथ, मुझे मीठा मतलब मेरे
Yeah.
मम्मी छवि के लिए कहते कि नहीं ये खिचड़ी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, ये अच्छा होना चाहिए, मतलब मेरे लिए होता है
नवरात्रा you talk
नवरात्रा।
about. Okay,
तो
okay.
नवरात्रा मेरा होता है कि नहीं मीठा अच्छा होना चाहिए, भी स्वीट ऐसे मीठा एंड में बनेगा ना, बिकॉज अगर एंड में
That's the finish
एंड
you
ऑफ
want.
फिनिशिंग तो
That's the best finish you
तो
want.
मैं छवि को इस बार कहते लड़ो कुछ प्लान करते करा क्या प्लान आते
So we have homemade
But it was
ice
amazing.
creams.
Okay.
We have
So different flavors like anjeer, figs and apricot,
Okay.
crunchy nut,
Okay.
gulkan. So I thought how पहले तो ये सोचना पड़ता है नवरात्र में आप क्या चीज खा सकते हो, क्या क्या ingredients you are allowed to eat.
Okay.
So then I was thinking
To
कि
for the raw materials.
yes कि what all
Oh.
you can eat.
There are restrictions.
Yes,
Yes.
there are restrictions कि हम फलाहारी खाने में क्या क्या खा सकते हैं. So to make a sweet dish that is falahari is restricted to kheer or cholai ka laddu, something like that.
Okay.
But how to go beyond? You can eat ice creams. So whatever we are making here is edible during Navratras. So then I told my chef, whenever you're creating a dish, it has to be a team effort by the chefs also. They have to be very creative in thinking. If I am thinking something, they need to get that on plate. At the end, they are gonna make it. I can give my ideas, I can pour in my ideas, but who is building? It has to be his team who has to make the end product and put it on a plate. So while we were experimenting, we blended 2 or 3 ice creams. Then we imagined that yes, fruits can be eaten during Navratras. So he quickly chopped the fruits. That ma'am, these all fruits can be served with the ice creams. Then I said nuts can be eaten during the Navratras. Then simple nuts can be a little boring. So I said, chef, let's caramelize them. So the chef quickly caramelized the nuts.
And is that okay?
Yes,
Caramelize.
everything.
Yeah.
Caramel is made of sugar.
Yeah, sugar. Okay.
And then I thought makhana is a healthy option. So we made caramel makhana, we made chocolate makhana. And then eventually we were making a combination of ice creams that can go together. we tried 3-4 combination, but at the end we made a good falahari sundae, which never thought that it can happen. That the presentation was so grand that people specially came to have falahari sundae.
Count me in. Okay.
The reason behind that, I am very particular in Natras because I also keep all my fast. So day one when we start restaurant and we open in Natras only. It was at 5th Natra when we opened a
Yes,
restaurant.
yes.
So I was very particular कि भाई मुझे
When did you
Natra
inaugurate?
12th of April
12th April.
2024.
So I was very particular कि Natra में हमने लोगों को वही खिलाना है जो खा सकते. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करना कस्टमर के साथ थोड़ा सा भी चीट नहीं करना कि अब कस्टमर खाने से क्या पता वो तो जो खा लेगा.
Yeah.
हमने we were very particular. So once when we start Natra also, so our storage of our things in our kitchen becomes separate.
Okay.
We keep everything separate.
Okay.
We try to our best to
Even
keep
a mistake can lead
can-
to a disaster.
Yes.
And already because you had experience even
Take-
an order of non-veg in your vegetarian food, so you do
That's-
know
that's-
how does it
that's-
feel.
I don't know what they use that oil, what was there, but there was a very typical smell.
So generally in restaurants they use oil of a lower quality which has a high amount of trans fat. They keep using the same oil. So the main idea behind giving the good food is use good ingredients. If you are cooking the food with love and passion, it has to be on plate and it is visible on plate.
Do you think you have competition in Dehradun, or whom do you consider in Dehradun in hotel industry, restaurant, this chain, this line of restaurants? Do you consider anybody as your competition?
There are a lot of good cafes and restaurants. अगर मैं बोलूँ नहीं है, शहर में बहुत अच्छे हैं. और मुझे लगता है कि हमेशा देयर शुड बी हेल्थी कंपटीशन. मजा हेल्थी कंपटीशन में आता है. अकेले लड़ने में क्या फायदा? जब 4 साथ लड़े तो मैं फायदा है ना. हम कोई अच्छा करे, वो कोई अच्छा करे. बट एट प्रेजेंट व्हाट आई फील, वैसे वेजिटेरियन में तुम्हें कहा से हमारा कोई कंपटीटर है नहीं आज के टाइम में. एंड आई कैन बी श्योर ऑन दैट. द कैफे रेस्टोरेंट, कैफे रेस्टो जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग अपनी लैंग्वेज में, आजकल जो नया ट्रेंड चल गया है रेस्टो कैफे. तो आई थिंक वी आर द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वेजिटेरियन राइट नाउ इन देहरादून.
Correct. You also conduct a lot of food festivals.
Yes.
Why do you do that, and what do you keep in mind when you plan?
आई थिंक कि लोगों को कुछ अलग फील कराना, कुछ डिफरेंट खाना खिलाना, जो छवि का पैशन है. आई थिंक छवि कैन आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन बेटर.
जब हम एक रेस्टोरेंट में जाते रहते हैं, we want something new to be served. So conducting a festival is like you are presenting something new to your customers. जैसे हम राजस्थानी फेस्ट करते हैं. So I am from Rajasthan. तो मुझे लगता है कि bringing my roots here, people would love it. And they actually do. तो उनको ऑथेंटिक राजस्थानी खाना खिलाना उस लिहाजे से जैसे वहाँ खिलाया जाता है. So they appreciate. Then we conduct our Navratra food fest. So Navratra is like twice a year, and people do believe in Navratras.
But I still remember I was sitting with someone and suddenly someone came. I think you were owner of Nutmeg. Yes, yeah, Navratra is coming. Yes, we are waiting for Nutmeg. But we have changed the experience of Navratras. पहले नवरात्रों में क्या था कि आप जाओ रेस्टोरेंट में थाली खाओ. थाली 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 एंड थाली was a Navratra
That's
fest.
the
Only thing. As me, I love Navratras. I love to keep fast. पर मेरा था मैं थाली खा सकता. और मुझे ना बहुत सारा खाना नहीं खाना और वही खाना नहीं खाना. मुझे चाहिए कि मुझे थोड़ा मिले पोर्शन पर अच्छा मिले, तो डिफरेंट मिले. We have changed. We have made combos. We have made normal a la cartes. We have developed nice mocktails also. We have developed mocktails also.
Mocktails,
Starters.
So before initiating a festival, a lot of effort goes behind that. We need to plan the menu. We need to try them out, that how the outcome has to be. So there goes a lot of planning behind each and every festival. So whenever you're hitting a festival, it has to be one shot hit, so that people wait for our next festival to come. That
And
what
what
different on the table now.
Yeah, Chavi, if you remember when we launched the first, we haven't done one, I think, kebab and biryani festival.
kebabs and
So I think a lot of my friends who eat non-veg, they called me, veg mein kebabs and biryani. And I remember I have 4 very good friends of mine and they always call me a kathal biryani kab banegi tere. And they are hardcore non-vegetarian people,
Okay.
and they wait for kathal biryani
So
when we
as
will
he-
relaunching.
As he said that kebabs and biryani, whenever you say kebab and biryani, you always end up eating or thinking it's a non-veg
A
thing.
chicken or a mutton kebab or a
Galotis or kalmi kebab or
Yeah.
chicken, mutton, whatever. So a vegetarian kebab, how it has to be on plate. तो हमने उसको differently curate करा. Different styles of biryani, same served the way it is served in a non-veg dish. So उसको एक चीज़ों को लाना और उसको execute कराना is like one task which a team has to do with us.
हमने देहरादून के वेजिटेरियन लोगों को वो स्वाद दिया जो वो बहुत टाइम से मिस कर रहे थे.
True. Very true. Which one has been your hit one?
Hit is of course Navratra and Rajasthani because Navratra में we are sold out.
Okay.
People pre-book their tables on at least last 3 days when it's a peak season. कि अब चल last 2-3 रथ ही रह गए, so let's go and try something new.
Yes.
So Navratras we are sold out. Rajasthani also, you know, people love try to eat the food. Still they want to connect कि सब लोगों को लगता है राजस्थानी बहुत spicy food है. It is spicy but it is very flavorful.
Great. Very nice. And how do you ensure that your food is just not a meal but an experience for the consumers?
You know, when we talk about food, first of all, it has to be made with love. You know, so the first thing is love. If it is not made out of good heart, it is not made with good feelings, you cannot make good food. Secondly, the ingredients has to be very important. If a good quality product needs to be on the plate, it has to be made of good quality ingredients. Thirdly, when you are serving the food, it has to be presented very nicely. It has to be on a presented on a very good platter, or the presentation, I must say, it has to be bang on. Thirdly, it has to be made in a very hygienic environment so that you are comfortable in eating whatever you know that the ingredients it is made and they are made in a healthy environment. And fourthly, अगर खाना प्यार से नहीं सर्व करा गया तो उसका स्वाद ही खत्म हो जाता है.
Absolutely.
So in a restaurant or in a hospitality industry, I would say it has to be served in a very humble and a calm manner. So hospitality, hygiene factor, good quality ingredients, they all are in balance.
I think when you were speaking, just explain everything.
Yes, exactly. I think he's going to justify each word.